Hey guys, I'm going with my friends to play some badminton and let's see how that goes. I'm trying to start vlogging, but I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to try and see if this will go live. If I kind of vlog the entire journey or else this is going to be this. So I met Harsha after like almost a month and a half.
Hi guys,
And we're
hi
catching
bitch.
up. And they're catching up on some gossip because she's gone on multiple dates. Maybe
I've gone on multiple dates with the same
with the
guy.
same person. So that's the story time. So do you want to tell us something about?
Okay, so it's basically he was an old client of mine. I met him randomly, just randomly. We clicked. He asked me out on Valentine's Day also,
Oh, that's
and he gave me
cute.
flowers. 2 consecutive days, but I think he's complicated, so I don't know where
Why
this is going.
complicated?
Because we have this nice physical chemistry. We haven't done things yet, but we are. I think if we meet quite a lot of times, it's gonna happen.
You said you want to be in it. So just getting back to from where we left, Harsha had to fill me up with some details. So we had that conversation and now we are back.
Yeah. So basically, this guy, he's so serious. He's mature. He's 35. Wants to get married also, and he initiates all the physical contact, like holding hands, got me gifts on Valentine's Day. But whenever I ask him that, are we like girlfriend, boyfriend, or what is it?
That's
He'll
not
be
the
like,
word.
it's not. Then I told him you have to meet my friends. He's like, obviously I'll meet your friends. But then I said, don't worry, I'm not going to introduce you like a boyfriend to them.
Of course not,
He's
it's
like,
too
of
early.
course,
Can we
because we
cross
are
the road? Oh god. Damn.
right. Oh god, Savio. So it is like that. Like kind of like him way too much to have no commitments and this. And then we end up meeting each other also. So that's another.
Well, let's
I
cross
don't
fingers
know.
and hope for the
I
best.
want to get married this year, that's all.
Putting it out there. Guys, we secured some alcohol.
Chicken
We're
chutney.
going to
Bye-bye,
play
enjoy.
badminton and get drunk.
Savio, stop vlogging.
I'm literally so serious about this. I'm trying my luck to make one vlog and see how that is going to turn out. And if it's cute and I can just start here, like
Yeah, because we're drinking and now we are actually going to start vlogging after the beer.
I promise I'm going to be regular once I get my camera.
And you bitched me, bitch.
But I still post like shit content without my camera,
So
otherwise I get bored.
this actually shows that guys only use girls as convenience because Savio, you acted like a guy. This was our plan.
But I'm still in my first vlog. This
Okay.
is my first recording. I was like, it's
So you should have given me a heads up so I could get ready.
I'm also not ready.
You look pretty. Look at me. I look like a fat potato. And beer's gonna make me even more fat.
Lol. I guess we should start drinking beer and like have something that's
We
less
should have a low calorie drink, like 0 calorie.
like
drink.
what? Like tequila?
Like tequila with water. Or
Okay,
probably
we should do
vodka
that. I
with
guess
water.
yeah, we should switch to that.
And once
for
a
sure.
week, Savio, we have to do that because
Yes.
that's detox also, 0 calories also, but we need to get drunk.
Yeah.
Too much to talk about. You leave me 1 month alone.
So you'll get like weekly vlogs, at least on the weekends, if not
Yes.
the weekdays, because
Yes.
that's when we have
We
most
have
of our
to do that.
content.
You know, this year started with rickshaw beer, remember?
Oh yeah.
We were in the rickshaw during New Year's and same
Yes.
having
Oh
beer.
god, yes. That's why it's continuing the trend, but okay.
So it's gonna be like 1 year of togetherness, 1 more year, 20
Yeah.
years down the lane.
Yes. What's iconic that I'm in the location that we're supposed to be. I've got beers and yeah, like at Harsha's ex's building, which happens
Ex-boyfriend.
ex-boyfriend's building, where
And we're like literally like drinking
it's
here.
also supposed to be my friend's building where we come to play badminton. So and it's
I hope-
super stupid and
I
iconic
hope we don't
because
end up encountering
it's not
someone.
about him. It's about us playing badminton and my friends, other friends building. Just putting it out there in case.
आशिक बन के हम दारू पी रहे हैं एक्स की बिल्डिंग में.
ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
और नेक्स्ट की बातें कर रहे हैं.
So my friends are here and they're kind of tipsy and I have Safet with us. That's you.
Hi, I'm not tipsy.
And then we have Harsha just drinking and yapping and yeah, Yash, if you can see.
I'm sitting in the light.
So this is my vlog, my first vlog. Now we're gonna play.
That is not something.
This is like the hydration before badminton to energize yourself.
So we're gonna play badminton. Oh, I filmed Harsha on her. Her.
I
I play with my sister and her friends every
I
Sunday.
don't play, but I just go
We
for
could
the
tell
vibe.
with
I
that
can
body.
figure that.
Today I found out there's a gay group also for pickleball.
A gay group.
No, there was a badminton group in
Yeah, it's
Sanjay
great.
Gandhi National Park in the morning. They were playing all the hi.
Okay, girl, can you just be
16
candid?
of them, and they've also gathered like that. Like 4 of them started, then they made friends. And
Are they
we were
pretty?
every-
You all wanna go drinking, kya?
I don't mind. That's the best thing we can do.
You all wanna go to Pop Tates or drink?
You mad? It's Monday
We
tomorrow.
get alcohol and drink. Just
As if that has ever stopped you, Savio, a weekday.
States no. If give a better place's name, I might say yes.
Yacht?
That's too far. You
Yeah, who's
crazy?
to bat, like,
I so need a camera because this is so difficult to sit with the setup. And now we're going to smoke. Oh, can't say that.
Look at my chair.
But
just put all this on your YouTube.
I want a nice snippet for Instagram, bitch.
Take over.
bye vlog.
I will just take a nice snippet for Instagram.
Okay, we find a clip of it. Guys, I have Sukrit and Yash who are kind of confessing their
Yeah,
love
so
for
are you
each
guys
other.
dating? You just said it. Just repeat the same.
I asked.
I don't know, they're like in ambiguity whether they want to like date or not. But happy
Yes.
pride, y'all.
Yash, so are you ready?
and I have reached sibling stage at this
No!
Or if it's best friend, I can't tell.
I will not be
No!
rejected 3 times.
Just 2 minutes
and
ago,
still
these people were
accept
saying.
anybody.
No.
What do you all
He
guys
has lost
think?
all privileges.
I will tag
So
their
why
Instagram.
can't 2 people
Babe,
who
that's
want...
never gonna happen.
No, guys,
Yeah, so
listen.
that your fault.
Okay, listen.
Your loss.
Listen. Why can't 2 people who want long-term commitment be together?
I don't see a problem in
You
that.
think
Yeah,
he
see,
wants long-term
You
commitment?
also want...
Yeah.
He just
You
said
think
it.
he wants long-term
just
commitment?
Yeah,
said
I want to
it.
settle down with a baby.
Oh, that's me.
Oh, that's...
Can you handle 2
Sugar
babies?
You be the sugar baby because that's all you want.
I will become a sugar baby. That's
Controversial.
Why you will do all the money work.
Oh. Oh.
Not looking bad.
Oh. Guys, we have this friend who's built differently.
She's built like she could protect the building.
Built to protect all of us.
His vlogging career.
Her arms are ironing.
Yeah, not even a full vlog. She's literally dressed like the lake.
Hi, Vanshika. Welcome to my vlog. Yash, cry. Okay, so let's crack the joke on you. Are you crying? She's crying. I can feel some breath.
Yeah. Are you okay?
बट फूकना है ना पहले
Cook to चलते हैं.
Guys, can you not? Talking about cigarettes.
I thought he didn't have your consent.
No,
He clearly does.
You're faggots walking on the street of
What are you wearing?
Malatnagar.
I feel very violated right now
Why?
because you both are just
Who's that cutie? Say hi to my vlog.
okay can we stop why do I look like a man oh because I'm around 3 fucking women
We're also gonna.
Show me that pussy.
Vanshika, he's speaking to you.
ਹੁਣ ਤੇਰੀ ਹੀਰੋ ਪੜਦੀ ਐ ਨੀ ਕ੍ਰਿਮੀਨਲ ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਪੜਦੀ ਐ ਨੀ ਹੁਣ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੀਰੋ
Hey guys, we're finally at McDonald's. We did not end up playing badminton, but these bitches want to eat, so that's what they're doing right now. And Vanshika looks very confused and high.
I'm high not
Stop being the bad boyfriend.
I think that's what I'll keep doing in your vlog. Just looking at myself.
Yes, that's what you should do. Because some people don't. Are you done with your order? That's her card. Y'all can scam her. Yes, finally I'm back, and that's the end of the day. I tried to record how much of it I could. Please subscribe, leave a like, comment, and let me know if you want such more videos. So it's my first time doing this. I don't know how I've said, but let's try. Keep trying, right? If you want more such content, let me know. Bye bye. Ciao.